Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Essie. If you don't know me, I'm Essie and I run this channel at Essie.M. and thank you for stopping by. And I would like to thank all my subscribers who've been supporting this channel, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So if you're new here, make sure you push that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna be friends, getting to know each other and growing this channel. So today we're going to be doing another dressing on outfits. All of the outfits I will be showing you today, all of them I saw them as well by myself, designed as we say, sewing and everything. So everything is handmade, and I'm going just to be starting with just like a summer casual outfit, which I sewed as well. And you can just go with it somewhere nice or some, but normally I sewed it for summer when it's hot and you can just go somewhere for coffee drinking and all this stuff. So if you love any of my, make sure you put the thumbs up, comment, like, and share, and make sure you subscribe. So we're going to start with this green metal. These are the pants with flare, down with a top, which is kind really different. This is like a high waist pants with top, like a high top or some. So I'm going to combine it with, just because of summer, I'm not going to be combining it with a lot of stuff, just some slippers, and then we are good to go somewhere. And this is the shoes I'm going to combine this outfit with, just like things you can slide in and you're good to go. So guys, this is the outfit, and I'm going to put it on and then we go from there. This is the outfit. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and it's amazing. I'm loving it because it's looking amazing. What do you think? You can dress like this and go out for a coffee with friends out, and I'm looking amazing, and I'm proud of myself because these are all my idea, like to create all these outfits. Sorry for my bra behind, but anyway, when I'm going somewhere, I see that it's something different. Look, it doesn't even need any accessoire. I'm loving it this way, and the color is amazing. What else can you ask? So tell me what you think. I will just take some photos and I'll make sure that I put them on Instagram. Make sure you go to Instagram and check on my photos. We are going to go next to the next outfit, which is this one. It's also white pants, casually, with just one-of-a-kind top. I'm the one-of-a-kind of a person. I dress things like this, which I love pushing it to my limit. And let's get onto it and you see how it is. But let me tell you, I'm sure there are people that ask where you get. I don't get things somewhere. I design them myself. And for that, because you wear something that nobody else has, and when you go somewhere else, people always ask you where you get this. And so let's get to put on this. So guys, welcome back. This is the outfit. It's different, not like everybody can wear such, and I love such crazy stuff, which actually they just mirror me in some other different ways. Excuse me. So let me just show you the whole outfit. So guys, this is me. This is the outfit. So I hope you can see it. Let me just stand it. So white pants, and normally I combine it with the slides as well. The same, these ones, and or in the yellow ones, you know, like you don't have to wear contrast, but look at that. This is how it looks like. I'm going to take some photos and make sure you go to my Instagram and you will see all this. So, yeah, I'm just really trying to work with the natural light, but it's not really giving because it's been raining, it's cloudy, and I have my light here, but I don't think so if it's doing the really. I hope you can see me. Look at that. It's the outfit. And it's looking amazing. And it's just another way of playing around. Yeah, I'm just trying to find an angle where you can see the whole outfit. So this is how the pants are wide. They're very wide. As you can see, the arms are also very wide. And that's how I wanted my outfit to look. You will just be wondering what's this. It's just the way I felt like I should make it something different, something just not everybody has. And yeah, I can just go out like this, just shopping, coffee, and anywhere I feel like. And I'm always loving the new challenges of stuff that nobody has. What do you think? Will you wear this? Let me know down below on the comment. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This will make me continue growing this channel and bringing you more outfits and yeah, more for my crazy stuff. Some of them are, yeah, everything. So make sure you do that. Thank you, and I will, guys. This is my next outfit. So next outfit, white pants as well, and I combined it with the white top, which I sewed as well. Guys, everything is handmade here. Nothing is ready-made, handmade. And I combine it with this handbag. Yeah, this is the outfit. This is how I look. I hope you can see it. Let me just put the camera a little bit down. So here we go. This is the pants. I combine it with the shoes here, the brown shoes heels, and yeah, the handbag. And I think it's looking amazing. What do you think? As I say, make sure you go to Instagram. You will see all the photos, everything that I just showed you. Let me just bring my face to the camera. You can see me properly. Look at me. This light today is really not doing me justice, but on my photos, where I'm taking the photos, on my stairs, they are looking amazing, guys. Amazing. So make sure you check me on Instagram, but don't forget to like, comment, and very important, subscribe. And subscribe. What do you think? My makeup, I'm sweating just for you guys, just for you. That way you can see amazing outfits from me. So last look, last check, last enjoying, and here we go. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like and comment, And on Instagram, follow me and make sure you comment down below. What do you think about the outfits? All handmade. I repeat, are handmade. I made them myself. So stay tuned for the other. Guys, this is the next outfit. So it's also handmade, looking amazing. What can you ask? As you can see, it has some details here. I made these details, you know, to make it a little bit juicy. And the ruche here on the side. And this is how the whole outfit looks like. So I hope you like it as well. And it really get my shape in. Look at that. I know I don't have the best shape, but it looks amazing and I'm loving it. Oh my God, it's just something that you can wear anywhere, from dinner, from party. You can go it with special occasion somewhere as well, because it's a multi style outfit. You can style it in with different accessories for it to fit the occasion or the place you're going to. And well, as I'm looking forward to go to vacation, I think these are the amazing stuff that I won't miss taking them with me to look amazing on my vacation and have me take some nice photos as well. And yeah, look good each and every time. So make sure you like them. So guys, I think the light is better. It's been up and down, so the outfit, only one more to go. And yeah, I'm so glad. I hope you all like the outfits. And now make sure you go still to my Instagram. I will be putting these photos each and every time, one by one, so that you can see them and you can see how amazing they look. I will appreciate when you follow me on Instagram as well. You like, comment. That way it helped me grow my channel and help me grow my account as well on Instagram and on my YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Next one, it's coming, and it's just, I just finished it 2 days ago. So I left the best one to the last. So my last outfit, amazing. I take this because it just look like you can go anywhere. For me at the moment with this dress, maybe I go to the picnic. I'm looking amazing. I take my basket, which they are really on fashion right now. And yeah, it's another color of orange apart from this, but I'm loving it. So what do you think? So I combine it with some slides, yellow slides, because I just don't want everything to be in the same colors. I'm just color blocking right now. And wow. So what do you think? Let me know. So let me know what you think. I mean, what else can you want from? This is the outfit I just saw the last 2 days. And yeah, I think a lot of people on Instagram, you will see them kind of the same dresses. And I thought I would make myself one almost the same, not the same, but almost like this style. And it came out really well. Beautiful. I'm loving it. This is the back, and I don't have to wear a bra while it's warm. It's perfect. You can just walk around and you are free, comfortable. My basket, and I'm looking, go here. That way you can see the whole outfit. As I can say, I just combine it with yellow slides because it's just me. I'm not like anybody else. So yeah, that's the last outfit. I hope you enjoy everything on my show. It's a show, by the way. It was a show, a fashion show for me, and I'm loving everything, and I hope you love them too. And these are, so I remind you again, these are handmade sewings, outfits, dresses, and all everything, pants and everything. And I love, I'm sweating, I love sewing, I love designing, and this is the products I produce. And please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate. This will give me more more morale to build and to make more videos like this. If you like such videos, tell me, let me know. And if you love more than the other ones I've been making, like the vlogs, let me know as well. Tell me what you love the most to see me on my channels. If you like to see mostly of this fashion outfits I make myself, or also what I do in a, as I am a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle on my channel. So let me know what you like to see more, or what you would love to see the next, and I will try to make it possible and let it be respectful and possible to do, connecting to the topics I do. And I will appreciate that. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. And make sure you go to my Instagram. And oh, by the way, hold on. I'm not. So guys, I did forget one thing, which is this. I saw the matching hair bow tie for my hair, and this is how it looks like. I hope you can see it. And I just forgot to put this one on, and I hope you like it. It matches. Let me just know down below what you think, if I should wear it with the dress or not. But of course I will be tying it different, the hair different when I'm wearing it. But just wanted to show you, yeah, that I saw this as well. It's a matching fabric with the outfit. So what do you think? Let me know. I'm out. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.